Hey everyone, welcome to Willer's channel. Today I'll show you how to make a welcome badge in Roblox. Let's open Roblox, go to Creator Hub, and start creating. Click where you want the badge, hit 3 dots, then Create Badge. You can upload any image here. Choose whatever picture you want for this badge. Type welcome here, yes, welcome. Add a description if you like. Now click Create Badge. There we have it. Next, go to the store and search for Welcome Badge. Pick a model, click Get, open Roblox Studio, and go to your map. Now, grab the inventory. Here's the badge script. Click OK. Insert your badge ID here. Head back to Creator Hub. Click on our badge. See these numbers? Or just click 3 dots. Copy ID, paste it here, close, and hit play. And we've got our badge. That's all, folks. This was Wheeler. Like and subscribe. Wishing you all the best. Good luck, everyone. See you next time.